Hello everyone, my name is Freddy Funaujing.
Hi, my name is Veronica Vera.
My name is Lala Makanya from DIK2A.
My name is Rizan Indi from DIK2A.
First definition, geometry are a two-dimensional set of number of symbol division in a regular shape, a vertical and horizontal line. So the three elements are arranged in row and column. They are used for the deriving system of linear of differential equation. It will a representation in a linear multiplication.
Today I want to present question 4. Question 4 is Zaim on a restaurant in town. He want to purchase 3,000 set of dishes. A set of design D costs 20 ringgit and this set of design E costs 35 ringgit. If he plan to spend exactly 8,100 ringgit, how many set of each design should be ordered? This order will be solved with Charles rule. D plus E equal 300. 20D plus 35E equal 8,100. Answer will be delta 0 equal in bracket 1, 20, 35 equal 1 multiply 35 minus 1 multiply 20 equal 50. Data D, the column 1 will be changed with the value of the cost dishes. Data 1 equal in bracket column 1 300 and 8,100, column 2 135 equal 300 multiply 35 minus 1 multiply 8,100 equal to 2,400. At data E, the column 2 will be changed with the value of cost dishes. Data E equal in bracket 120 in column 1. In column 2 is 300 and 8,100 equal 1 multiply 8,100 minus 300 multiply 20 equal to 2,100. Data D will divide with data 0 equal 2,400 divide 50 equal to 160. Data E will divide with data 0 equal to 2,100 divide 50 equal to 140. D equal 160 and E equal to 140. That's all for me. Thank you.
And today, I am thrilled to present to you a method that unlocks the solution to complex linear equations. Particularly, using the inversion method, we will delve into a problem involving 3 linear equations and 3 unknowns, demonstrating the power and elegance of this method. Let's dive straight into our challenge. We were given the system of equation. In the first row, x plus y plus z equal to 6. Second row is x minus y plus z equal to 2. The third row is x plus 2y minus z equal to 2. By employing the inversion method, we've beautifully resolved this system to find the value of x, y, and z. The first step was to represent the coefficient of the variable in matrix form, which we call matrix A. It looks like this. Okay, next, we construct another matrix denoted as matrix B, containing the constant from the equation B equal to bracket 6, 2, 2. Okay, utilizing the formula x equal to A negative 1b, where x represent the column matrix containing our variable x, y, and z. We proceed with the calculation. Okay, for the calculation, the first one, open bracket, we must put the row and the column. First row is 1, 1, 1. Second row is 1, negative 1, 1. The third row is 1, 2, and negative 1. For the second bracket, it's column. Column 1 x, column 2 is y, column 3 is z. For the answer is open bracket 6, 2, 2 in column. So the second step, we must use the formula plus minus plus. Okay, for the first one is plus 1, open bracket, negative 1, 1, 2, and negative 1. Close the bracket, and then negative 1, negative 1, open bracket, 1, 1, 1, and negative 1. Close the bracket. For the third, plus 1, open bracket, 1, negative 1, 1, and 2. Close bracket. Alright. For the calculation, we must put 1, open bracket, negative 1 times by negative 1 minus 1 times by 2, close the bracket, and negative 1, open bracket, 1, open bracket, negative times by negative 1 minus 1 times by 1, close the bracket, plus 1, open bracket, 1 times by 2, negative, open bracket, negative 1 times by 1, close the bracket. So the answer will be 4. Alright. So to find the cofactor, we must use the same way as we used to find the determinant. But this one, we must use the formula also, like plus minus plus, negative plus negative. Alright, so for the cofactor, open bracket, plus times by negative 1 equal to negative 1. Negative times negative 2 become 2. Positive times by 3 equal to 3. Negative times by negative 3 equal to 3. And then plus times by negative 2 equal to negative 2. Negative times negative 1 equal to 1. Plus times 2 equal to 2. Negative times 0 equal to 0. Plus times negative 2 equal to negative 2. Alright, the first step is addition and cofactor transpose. For our cofactor, the answer will be open bracket. First row will be 1 and negative 1, 2, 3. The second row is 3, negative 2, and 1. For the third row is 2, negative 0, and 2. Cofactor transpose is the row become column and column will become row. So for the answer, it will be negative 1, 3, and 2. The second row is 2, negative 2, and 0. The third row is 3, 1, and negative 2. For the answer, we must 1 over 4, open bracket, the cofactor transpose, times by the answer 6, 2, and 2. For the answer, it will be 1 over 4, open bracket, negative 1 times by 6, 3 times by 2, plus 2 times by 2. The second row is 2 times by 6, plus negative 2 times by 2, plus 0 times by 2. And the third row is 3 times by 6, plus negative 1 times by 2, plus negative 2 times by 2. the final answer will be 1/4 times by 4, 8 and 12. So the answer will be x will become 1, y equal to 2, z equal to 3. Thank you.
One example of antipymetric. Antipymetric have two types. The first type is 2 times 2. It is because have 2 columns and 2 rows. The second type is 3 times 3. It is because have 3 rows and 3 columns. Now we go to question. Prove the following law of matrix. Given A 1 1 2 2, B 2 1 1 2, and C 1 2 3 1. Firstly, we must write 1 1 2 2. Open bracket for first row is 2 times 1 plus 1 times 3, and 2 times 2 plus 1 times 1. For the second row is 1 times 1 plus 2 times 3, then 1 times 2 plus 2 times 1, and then close the bracket. After doing this step, we must solve the question inside the bracket first to find the answer. The answer in the inside bracket is 5504. Then we must write 1122, then 5504. First row is 1 times 5 plus 1 times 7, then 1 times 5 plus 1 times 4. The second row is 2 times 5 plus 2 times 7, then 2 times 5 plus 2 times 4. We get is 12, 9, 24 and 18. How we solve this? Firstly, we must open bracket 1 1 2 2, 2 1 1 2, then close the bracket, then 1 2 3 1. After that, we must do multiplication row times column.
Video have technical problem, so I write down. First row is 1 2 plus 1 1 1 1 plus 1 2. Second row is 2 2 plus 2 1 2 1 plus 2 2. Now we go to video again.
Then you write down 3 3 6 6 and 1 2 3 1.
Do the multiplication again, row column.
The first column is 3 times 1 plus 3 times 3, then 3 times 2 plus 3 times 1. For the second row is 6 times 1 plus 6 times 3, then 6 times 2 plus 6 times 1. Then you get the answer is 12, 9, 24 and 18.
If you get answer a BC equals ABC is same. The law of matrices you use is correct.
Conclusion: JR asked for plotting map system it has solved to scientific students. Our system of mostly fair fields. The JR also asked to reflection on the work of the publication of people from a poverty rated distribution method for blood conservation.
And how